Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make at least $150 a day off of freelancing. Now, this could be especially helpful if you're working like a fast food job and you want to make more money, especially if you're good at something like graphic design, voiceover work, just all kinds of cool stuff, coding. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do online that people will pay you to do. And you could potentially even make a full-time living off of what I'm going to show you guys. Now, as you guys can see, we're looking at Fiverr, but guess what? We're not going to be using Fiverr. So, and guess what? We're not going to be looking at Upwork either. Yeah, Fiverr and Upwork are pretty popular platforms for freelancing. I personally use Upwork, but today I'm going to be showing you guys a different platform. This is called People Per Hour. Now, as you guys can see, I have an account right here, and I'll show you guys the email that I got after signing up real quick. So when you sign up, you get an email, as you guys can see. Hi, my name is Zenos. I'm the founder and CEO of People Per Hour. Yeah, so what this is this is a letter that you get from the CEO. It's probably auto-generated. Well, it is auto-generated. But after you get this email, you would go to complete application. And I'm not going to do that because I'm already on the website. So you would click on tell us about you. And then you're going to tell everyone about what you're doing. So let's say that you guys want to do like some graphic design work. So you would put your job title as graphic designer. Oh yeah, and also most of you guys are probably freelancers. So if it asks, do you represent a company, you would probably say no. Now if you do, you would say yes, because that's the honest thing to do. Let's see, this says why apply. You get to belong to an exclusive network of curated, top quality freelance talent. You get highly relevant projects routed to you quickly to start building your reputation fast, and you earn more as your reputation improves. So if you guys are really good at what you do, then you could potentially make a lot of money on here. So as I was doing before, let's say that I'm going to be a graphic designer. So, if I were a graphic designer, I think a very reasonable price starting off with, I would go within the $10 to $15 range just to start off with. So I'm gonna do 15. You could choose a cover image right here. So let me look in my files real quick. And we're gonna go in. So we could set an image. This is just something that I have laying around. Save. You would set your profile picture. Obviously, I already have mine set. And then you would say something about you. So I could say, hi, my name is Ben, and I am a graphic designer. And then after that, you would specify what you do. So let's say that you make album art. So I make album art, logos, and track lists. So there you go. Pretty much you would tell everyone on this platform what your name is, what you do, and what you offer in specific. And then you can add a portfolio. Now, I don't have a portfolio, but oh yeah, I don't have a phone number. So actually, I'm going to fill that in real quick, and then we'll keep going after that. All right, so I have my phone number filled in. So you would select your skills. So I'm gonna say album art. So artwork, logo design. You could also add more specific stuff on here. So let's see. I could put logo. You could do vector logo. This is just like if you're trying to be specific. List other skills you might have. So, I mean, for example, I make videos, so I could say video production. I'm also pretty decent at video editing. So video editing, and then let's see what else. What else is on here? Oh, video script. Over here you would put your language, and then you can put your industry expertise. So I'm gonna say advertising. I can add fishing. That is something that I like doing. Education. You guys are watching this video. It's an educational video, so I could just say that's something that I have expertise in. I've done gaming videos, and I'm pretty good with computers. So I mean IT. So I mean you can see that this is a good way to apply your skills and make some money. Now, after this, you would submit documents that demonstrate you have these skills. So let's say that you have some type of certification. Maybe you have a degree or something. Just anything like that. Now, obviously, let's see. I'll just add that real quick. So I'll add that picture. Now we're going to continue. And then you would just add, you can add your Facebook and other websites. So obviously I don't have those at the moment. You would set your on-site preferences. So you could do remote work only, continue, and then personalize your application. And I can say I will deliver my graphic design services as possible. There we go. So I'm gonna submit the application. Oh, well, I'm not gonna submit the application because I don't feel like writing out 100 characters. But okay, now we're gonna look at search offers, just to show you guys what people are actually doing in here. So this person is charging $15 for professional logo design. You get 3 concepts, total quality. This is also another logo design. This is business logo. You also get 3 initial concepts, and this one's actually $10 instead of 15. We keep going. A lot of this is like logo design. Now this is a little bit different. This person is charging for Wikipedia services, which is pretty unique. And if you guys have any unique skills like that, then that's actually very, very helpful on these types of platforms, because like more people can find you if you have something that a lot of people don't do, but it's in high demand. Now this person is doing website maintenance, and then this is also a person that is selling their website design. So there's all kinds of services on here. This is like a YouTube service, and these people are from like a lot of different countries, guys. This person's from the United Kingdom, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Morocco, India, once again the United Kingdom, just like all kinds of stuff on here. Bulgaria, like a lot of people from around the world use this platform. Oh, this person's from Poland, and this person's from Ireland. Like guys, there's a lot of people on this platform from a lot of different countries, but there's not as many as there are on Fiverr or Upwork. So you guys should actually have an easy time finding people on here. You know, finding people that will buy your services and all that kind of stuff. So what I gotta say is people per hour, it's a pretty decent platform that you guys should definitely look into. And even though this method is good for making some extra cash, if you guys want to make some passive income without having to spend a whole lot of time doing stuff like this, then check out the first link in the description, and you should be able to make some passive income from home, and maybe even potentially quit your 9 to 5. So yeah, if you guys got some information from this video that helped you out, be sure to leave a like on this video, and also subscribe to the Make Money Moves channel. And yeah, have a good day, and bye.